a volcano situation, and we're looking at one right now that's basically exactly what you were talking about, where they've kept building it over time and it keeps breaking down. So now at this point, it's like this tiny little thin layer of mulch with a ton of soil underneath it that's going to kill this tree eventually. What can you, is there something that you can do to fix that? Is there a method to fix it?
The method that we prefer is to use air. It's pneumatic.
Okay. I've seen you guys with the huge, like, blowing like really high pressure air.
Well, so it's low pressure.
Oh, okay.
It's and I don't want to specify that.
High pressure.
It's high volume.
Oh, okay.
It's high volume.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's only about 100 to 150 psi. So about what you're using to air up your car tire or something like that.
Right.
But it's high volume. So instead of getting maybe 8 gallons per minute out of that, we're getting like 385 gallons.
Wow.
Like it's a ton of air.
Yeah.
And so like we've got compressors that are, you know, bigger than the back of my truck. Like, you know, they're monsters. And so that's the whole idea, is you're moving a lot of air through there very quickly. And so where the air is actually blowing the soil off, blowing the mulch off, and we call that non-invasive. Because the roots are still left intact. The trunk is still left intact. It's not damaging them.
So once you get through with that, then you can go through and clip roots if you have to and kind of see what you're working with and hopefully fix it.
Right. The simple part would be we just blow the soil and the mulch off, and then we fix whatever root problems are there. A lot of times we'll actually have to start the air excavation process, then go in and cut roots because they're in the way of more mulch and more soil, and then we'll have to blow more out. And so it's this back and forth, back and forth. So it can be very time consuming.